Okay. Pleasant. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you so much, DJ Jer, on the flip side of what we do here. And of course, he's on all the other radio stations, pumping out, of course, the fact that Adam Handler is the man in the tri-state area because he's a top personal injury attorney. So, Jer, thanks for the transfer, man. Anyway, it's our turn now. Adam Handler, how you feeling today, man?
I'm feeling real good, buddy. I'm feeling real good. How about you?
I am good, man. You're not frozen. Don't worry.
Okay, good. Yeah, we were having some technical issues before, but hey, never frozen. Always hot, baby, hot. And yesterday was a hot day. We had some great content put out there. We had a great show on the radio. We had a client, Fitzroy, come on live and kind of hype everybody up. And then he came in later to the office to pick up his huge settlement check. He brought his beautiful wife and his beautiful baby daughter, 6 months old. You should have seen the arms and the legs on this little chunker. It was so cute. Oh my God. We were passing that baby around like I don't know. What do you pass around normally in an office? I don't even know. But it was really cute. And listen, ladies and gentlemen, it's all about results. You know, when you log on to my website, the first thing you're going to see is we treat our clients like family. And if you log on to my Instagram or you log on to my Facebook, check out the case handler, you see results are all that matter, because really that's what it comes down to. You're only as good as your last case, and you are judged on how well you do for your clients. And when your clients tune out the noise and forget about what the billboard says, or forget about what the commercial on TV says, or even forget about what some other attorneys, maybe even on this radio station, say, and they tune out that noise and they go with their gut and they go with their due diligence and they go with being informed and they choose the case handler, they know they're getting it right the first time. And that's what's really important. And yesterday was an amazing day. Love handing those settlement checks over to the clients. And I don't care if it's a settlement check for $15,000 or a settlement check for $1.5 million. Regardless of how much we're able to settle for a client, I know I've done my job, and I know I've done it well. So, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you. You know who this is. This is Adam Handler, the case handler, the longest running, most successful personal injury attorney on this radio station. I've been doing it at this point, we could say nearly 18 years, most of that time with you, Squeeze. So thank you for having me on. You are officially cruising with the case handler. And let's get to it, Squeeze. What do you want to talk today? We can play the video from yesterday. We're going
to do that.
Testimonial Tuesday from yesterday.
We're going to do that. Always Wednesday.
Yeah, we can do whatever you want. Listen. I'm just a player on your team. You tell me what you want to hear or see today, and we'll do it.
You know what? You and I know. Okay. And I posted something the other day. I posted that, 17 years ago, we initiated all of this, right? And we got things going. And one of the main thing that has made us what we are, it's not the fact that you're a good person. It's not the fact that you're great at your craft, or I'm great at my craft, or I'm a good person. It's the fact that the truth is always in the people who have come to you, your clients. That is what has built your business. That is what have built my businesses. It's all about the people. It's all about the people and the results that we provide for them. And you, Adam, have been extremely consistent with your team in providing phenomenal results, great results, huge results, gigantic results, boisterous results. Can I get some more adjectives in there? For the people when they get hurt in an accident.
Yeah.
Now, people, turn up your radios, because whenever people in our community get hurt, the first thing that people say, yo, I know one liar, down the road, my brother is a liar. Say my brethren deal and get some money from my brother there, so I will call the brother there. No. You know, so I know the DJ up on the station and me hear my talk about one lawyer over this and over this. No, 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 no. Listen to me, people. Go with what you can prove. And what you can prove is the fact that maybe most of you don't know Adam. Maybe you don't even know me. But you can look him up on this thing called, Google. You heard of it, right? And find the proof yourself. You can also listen to the true success stories. All right? Watch the videos on this channel here, the Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, whatever. You can look all of that up. Do your homework. Do your research. Don't trust Adam. Don't trust me. Trust the results. That's what we want you to do. Trust the results. And that's what we're all about. So, Adam, without further ado, I'm going to let you prove what it is that you do, man. All right?
Yeah, man. Listen, I'm happy to do it. I'm just playing with my background here. Ladies and gentlemen, as Squeeze said, it's all about results, and it's all about you folks out there, because, and I'm not embarrassed to say it, and we acknowledge this all the time. Lawyers pay for endorsements. No lawyer is coming on anybody's show for free. You know, it's a business. Everybody has to support their business either by advertising or promoting. The best possible endorsements, though, come from those individuals who never in a million years thought they'd get into an accident and then needed my help. People that are charitable, people that are spiritual, people that are religious. It doesn't make a difference. Bad things happen to good people. And the choice is very clear when it comes to personal injury. Do you want an attorney that's going to fight for you like family? Do you want an attorney that's been fighting for this community since 2005? Or do you just want to go with whoever somebody refers to you? I highly suggest you do your due diligence, just like Fitzroy did. And I'd love to play. I'd love to play that video, Squeeze, that we did yesterday,
Sure.
if you don't mind.
Sure.
Awesome. I'll get this going. And
let me get the phone number out while you're
yeah.
putting that up. Once again, folks, you're in tune to Cruising with a Case Handler. It's a show on personal injury law. It's a few minutes after the hour. Maybe you're watching this in retrospect, but Adam happens to be a phenomenal personal injury attorney. If you get hurt in an automobile accident, a trip and fall, construction accidents, the bus accidents, the truck accidents, whatever accidents you get into, you may or more than likely have a recourse with what has happened to you. But you've got to choose your weapons carefully, like I always say. You got to go for the big guns. You got to go for the shark. All right? You got to go for that man that's going to fight tooth and nail for you in court or with the insurance companies to get every god darn penny out of the insurance companies and whomever. That man happens to be Adam Handler, because you've got only one chance, one choice, and there is only one case handler. So note his number. Adam, 30 seconds and you can run your testimony.
Oh, great.
I want everybody right now, please do me a favor, do me a solid, all right? Because this is for you. This may be for your family. This may be for a friend. And it's not just about automobile accidents. Accidents happen in the home. They happen in stores. They happen, on construction sites. Maybe you'll be on a bus. Maybe you're on a train. Maybe you're on a plane. Okay, maybe on a ferry. No, dial this number. This way, when you dial it, it will be in your phone and you can store it now or store it later. Everybody. It's Wednesday, November the 30th, the last day of November. The number is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Hey, Queens, can you do Squeeze a solid? Can you please dial that number? Don't embarrass me, okay? Because Adam is checking to see if you're calling. He's that guy. He's that guy. He will check. Boy, Squeeze.
No, I'm not.
844-774-3529. That's Queens. Brooklyn, can you call Adam right now? 844-774-3529. I'd say, yeah, I stored your number. Bronx, I know you're ringing Adam already. 844-774-3529. Rockland County, Westchester County, all of New Jersey, everybody in New York. Link up Adam Hanlott, the big man. 844-774-3529. Because I tell you what, I'm quite sure he can get a bigger check than any other personal injury attorney. All right, that's
hell yeah, baby. You want the most possible. You got to ride with one horse.
Then prove it, man. I need for you to prove it. Prove it.
All right, great.
Prove it.
Well, listen, we always do. This is Fitzroy. He was in an accident with an MTA bus several years ago. He stopped at a red light. MTA bus swinging wide around him and knocks into his vehicle. Of course, the bus driver says that Fitzroy tried to cut in front of him, and that's what caused the accident. But we got the video. Video clearly showed that Fitzroy was stopped when he was hit by the bus. So that was going nowhere after I got involved. But I'd love to play this testimonial, Squeeze. All right, we're rolling. We got Samaya in the house, Michelle and Fitzroy. Baby. How you guys doing?
Great.
All right. So today is Tuesday, November 29th, 2022, and it's a big day because it's settlement day, of course. Fitzroy was on the radio with me earlier this morning on 93.5 FM with Squeeze. We had him on. We were talking about the case. We were showing some videos, some photos from the accident, and today is finally the day that the check is cleared from the MTA, and we're ready to present it to Fitzroy and his family. I can honestly say it's life-changing money. You know how I know it's life-changing money? Because it says it right here, life-changing money. So I'm going to hand this to you. Well, I'll probably hand it to you,
the boss,
Michelle. But Fitzroy, the accident was October of 2018, finally done. Would you just mind just telling everybody out there, how everything went with our firm and what you think of the case handler and all the work he did for you and family?
Case handler, the name says it all. The name says it all. And he did exactly what he said he was going to do. He was going to get me from the get-go, life-changing money. And this is the check. This check is so heavy. I need a bridge to take.
I'm going to hold it. Help you hold it up.
Take me to the bank.
Oh, man.
Yep.
That's how heavy this check is.
Big.
It's so heavy, I can't even show you what it looks like.
What do you have to say for people out there that, don't need an attorney right now, but may need one in the future? What would you say?
Do like I did. I saved that number years ago. I would say more than 12 years ago. I saved that number. I heard you on the radio, and I said, if I ever got into an accident and I need a good lawyer, I have the number.
All right.
And I hope you all do the same.
One chance.
You never know. One chance only. Get the right attorney.
Thank you so much. God bless you guys.
Thank you.
Check it out. All right. Now, he heard me on the radio 12 years ago. Guess who I was on the radio with 12 years ago, Squeeze? You're muted.
Who?
I don't know. You?
Yes, man.
We've been doing this for that long, buddy. I mean, if somebody's saying they heard me 12 years ago, number one, they heard me with you.
Yep.
Number two, they heard me when I wasn't even the case handler. I was just some associate working at this other law firm.
Young to be case handler.
Yes, yeah. Listen, I was a case handler to be.
I want to say, Adam. I want to say, man. Hold on. I want to say that, the check is heavier than this. That's all I'm saying. The check is heavier than this.
Well, you got the number. You got the numbers right. You just got to move a decimal point. That's funny, ladies and gentlemen. Squeeze made a good point, and then we'll wrap up. For those of you who've been listening to this radio station for a while now, you know who I am. You know what I do. When I switched law firms, when I left the law firm I worked for and started my own practice, you stuck with me. When I was with the DJs that broadcast later in the day and then, left them and went with Squeeze, you stayed with me. We've been consistent throughout these years, and I know Squeeze appreciates many things in life, especially consistency. And we've been consistently bringing you the most effective, most exceptional, and most reliable legal service around when it comes from personal injury. You have one chance to get it right. We say that all the time. You are entitled to money regardless of your immigration status. We say that all the time. You know, the case handlers for you and your family. So please, 844-774-3529. Lock that number in, 844-774-3529. Or, of course, you can check me out on Google, those 5-star reviews. You can check me out on Facebook. You can check me out on Instagram. And unless you call me, I won't be your attorney because I don't hand you business cards at the scene of the accident. I don't have people coming up to you in the hospital. If you want my number, you got to call and you got to speak to me now, and we'll be happy to help. One chance, one choice, one case handler.
Absolutely. And ladies and gentlemen, please, okay, for your sake, my sake, everyone's sake, especially your family, friends, or even your foes, dial the number now as we conclude the show and store the number in your phone. But I need for you to dial it and let it ring for about 15 seconds. The number for the #1 personal injury attorney, obviously on the station, and in my opinion, the nation, and definitely for New Jersey and New York, is Adam Handler. The number to dial is 844-774-3529. Just dial it and let it ring 15, 20 seconds. 844-774-3529. Yeah, I know you hear it every hour, but I'm going to beat it inside of you so this way you don't make the mistakes that some people made and go to another attorney and then they're calling Adam, yo, I can't switch to you now. Adam, I want to switch and I'm going to make a mistake. 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. The case handler, man, has done it 17 years strong. I have, like I've said on Instagram, have helped to create a monster. All right. And he's a monster in court for you. It's a good thing for you. All right. Thank you so much, Adam Handler.
Hey, bro.
It is that you're doing, man. And definitely we need to get you live on Saturday, man. We did have this conversation in our meeting the other day. Need to get you live on a couple of Saturdays out of the month. Tell Stacy, listen, it's all good. All right.
You got it, man. Whatever Squeeze wants, Squeeze gets.
Yeah, I wish. I wish, man. I really wish. Anyway, I'm out for now, man. Today's a special day, you know, so I gotta go. All right. Take care.
Later, bro.